am shown that in the very near future, Islam will rise like a lion throughout the world, and that a new war will break out in the Middle East, even bloodier than the war that was fought against Saddam Hussein. A great Middle Eastern nation, I think it is Iran, will go all out to acquire atomic power. Iran will buy terrible substances from China, substances by which you can create atomic power stations, substances by which also you can create atomic bombs and other hideous weapons of that kind. There is a young man, his eyes burn like those of a god. He has got a little mustache. He wears the white turban of an ayatollah. He is a man of Iran. He is the man who, within the next 20 years or so, will shake the world to its foundations. He is at present in his late teens or early 20s. He is a great admirer of Saddam Hussein, and at one time they once met. This man is the man about whom many prophets have spoken in the past. Some call him the Antichrist. In Africa they call him the Red Destroyer, the Mushiki Wadamu, the Lord of Blood. This is the man who is going to lead the rising hordes of Islam, whom future generations will call the shining sword of Allah, who is going to fight, shed blood and destroy cities to restore once again the glory of the caliphs. He will know himself as Wahab al-Rashid. He will know himself as al-Timsah. It is this man who is standing in the shadows at this moment, who is going to carry on where his admired godfather Saddam al-Hussein has left off. I wish the leaders of the United States should be aware of the existence of this man, because as they are humiliating and ill-treating the Muslims, they are only giving strength to this man who's going to stand in a battle tank above the ruined cathedrals of Christendom in Greece, who is going to extend the influence of the Lord Muhammad from the western shores of India to the rock Jebel al-Tariq, Gibraltar. And against his anger and against his might, not even the mightiest hydrogen bombs will prevail. Salam alaikum al-Khalif, al-Saif, ul-Allah, sword of God. My eyes see you, and my eyes are frightened of you.